So what is Power BI? Well, essentially, Power BI is an interactive reporting platform that can give you the right answers quickly so that you can make smart business decisions. Power BI is actually approaching its 10th birthday in the Microsoft 365 suite, and in that first decade, Power BI has been adopted by IT and data professionals as the market-leading data visualization tool. So why is that, and should you consider Power BI for your business? One key reason that our customers choose Power BI is to free up their staff time and to avoid making mistakes in their reports. We can waste hours, days, or even weeks trying to copy information from different sources and pasting it into spreadsheets. Power BI can automate all of that spreadsheet work, and in doing so it removes the chance of human error. Power BI is also really good at connecting siloed information to provide a clearer overall picture. So if you have data in different places across your business, and most do, you can bring it all together seamlessly. So for example, you could combine sales data from Dynamics 365 or Salesforce with things like your financial records from Xero or QuickBooks. You could incorporate formulas from Excel or Google Sheets, and even use third-party data in SQL Server, AWS, or even from your company's website. Power BI can help you reliably visualize your business KPIs so that you can find new insights and uncover hidden value. And this can be shared with specific people to help them make solid decisions. And what that does is takes the guesswork out of your decision making in your business and help everyone to do their job better. So Power BI dashboards, if they're done correctly, will help you understand what's working, what's failing, and help you to decide what to do next. If you don't use Power BI yourself, or if you've only skimmed the surface, you might be fooled into thinking it's just a way to present business information in pretty graphs or charts, but it's really not. There's a lot more in the way of useful features in Power BI. For example, as a viewer, you can customize your reporting experience. So you can pin the vital statistics from several reports into a single dashboard, so you have everything you need in one single view. And your colleagues can do exactly the same. Everyone can choose what's most relevant to them, so everyone can stay focused on what's important. You can filter information interactively to see your business from different angles and then drill into that data for far more revealing insights. And you can even ask questions in plain English, and the powerful AI or artificial intelligence in Power BI can give you the answers fast. But do remember, Power BI is just a tool. Success lies in the actual execution. So getting the most from Power BI requires quality thinking, a good understanding of what you need to know, and a plan for the data and the technical skills to actually put all of that into practice. If you have some ideas on how you can use your data better, then why not explore those ideas with us? Book a 1-hour free consultation with one of our Power BI team, and let's see how you can use Power BI to influence your organisation in new and unexpected ways.